Over-the-counter hearing aids hit the shelves just last week for what can be thousands of dollars less than a doctor-prescribed pair.
But there is a lot that you need to know. Jenna Sachs with the one step and not to skip in this Contact 6 report.
1, 2, 5.
Working the register in the Wilson Park Senior Center gift shop is Pat Ellert.
We got to keep the brain working, right?
Pat's banter behind the counter would not come so easy.
Oh, you just don't know me that well.
Were it not for her 2 hearing aids.
Because noisy environments can be hard for hard of hearing people.
Hearing loss affects nearly 30 million U.S. adults, yet only 1 in 5 who could benefit from hearing aids has ever used them.
The cost can be prohibitive for people on really fixed incomes.
Pat got her hearing aids through an audiologist, but hearing devices are now available on store shelves at Walgreens to anyone over the age of 18.
You don't need a prescription, exam, or fitting to buy over the counter or online through Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Best Buy, or Hy-Vee.
The goal is that it's trying to open up the availability of hearing aids and hearing devices to a wider range of people.
Aurora audiologist Molly O'Hearn would rather her patients have some hearing help than none. After all, hearing loss can lead to social isolation, a risk factor for depression, dementia, and Alzheimer's. But over-the-counter hearing aids only work for people with mild to moderate hearing loss.
It's similar to how you can go to Walgreens and buy a pair of glasses or readers just off the shelf.
Before investing $200 to $3,000 at a retailer, O'Hearn recommends a hearing test,
so that they know if they're a candidate and fit within that range.
That's pretty loud.
Scott Wisniewski offers tests and makes customized hearing aids. He says over-the-counter versions can help at home or with one-on-one conversation.
Positive, it's going to help you in simple situations where, volume is all you need. But when they get into groups, crowds, restaurants, difficult situations, they're still going to struggle because it's just making their hearing loss louder.
He compares it to turning up the volume on your TV. A hearing test can also reveal problems with pitch and frequency, not just volume, and can point to underlying health issues like infections or tumors. At least by getting a test, you'll have the knowledge you need to make the right choice for you.
Come on in and get your stuff.
For 8 years, Pat's worn the same hearing aids, helping her enjoy this volunteer job all the more.
2 and 3 is 5.
I'm Jenna Sachs, Contact 6.
Jenna, thank you for that. Now, a hearing test should be covered by your insurance, but as for the hearing aids themselves, the coverage does vary. Some plans cover everything and some cover nothing at all. So before buying over the counter, find out exactly whether the device includes a trial period.